In order to complete this move, you'll need to have berthed the train beyond the monitors at the south end of the platform. Otherwise, you won't be able to see the wrong road starter once you've changed ends. This move may be done in passenger service. When Bravo Papa 10 clears, select Rate 1. This will give you better control of the acceleration of the train, which is necessary in this area because of speed-controlled signalling. Signal Alpha 1000 is an approach-controlled signal. This should clear to a yellow aspect as you draw up to it. However, if it remains at danger, you must stop. Signal Bravo Papa 9 is also an approach-controlled signal when carrying out this move. There are 3 other approach-controlled signals on this stretch of track, all of which must be obeyed in the same way. The final signal for this move, Alpha 374, is also approach-controlled when carrying out this move. Although this signal may clear to a green aspect as you draw up to it, be prepared to stop if it stays red. Before doing this move, detrain closing the doors by the porter buttons. The shunter headlight is to remind you not to go to Oxford Circus. When signal Bravo Papa 9 clears, proceed towards the limit of shunt board. Stop at the limit of shunt board, shut down and change ends. When signal Bravo Papa 4 clears, proceed to the southbound platform. Before doing this move, detrain closing the doors by the porter buttons. The shunter headlight is to remind you not to go to Warwick Avenue. When signal Bravo Delta 11 clears, proceed towards the limit of shunt board.
Yeah, I'm as far as Paddington there. I'll be held in the platform whilst I reverse the train there, over. Thank you very much.
stop at the limit of shunt board, shut down and change ends. When signal Bravo Delta 4 clears, proceed at no more than 15 miles an hour to the southbound platform.
Sorry, kids, exit.
In order to complete this move, you'll need to have berthed the train beyond the normal stopping mark at the south end of the platform. Otherwise, you won't be able to see the wrong road starter once you've changed ends. This move may be done in passenger service. When Bravo Delta 10 clears, proceed towards the limit of shunt via number 7 crossover. The maximum speed for this move is 15 miles an hour. Past the limit of shunt board, the maximum speed increases to 35 miles an hour.